Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0967, indicates an issue with the AT automatic transmission clutch pressure control solenoid valve B in the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. This solenoid is integral to regulating the hydraulic pressure within the transmission system, allowing for smooth shifting and operation. The code itself suggests that there is a failure in the electrical circuit rather than a mechanical issue. If this DTC is activated, it can significantly limit the vehicle's transmission capabilities, restricting it to only certain gears, first, second, or fifth, due to the fail-safe function designed to protect the transmission system. Proper diagnostic protocol should first entail recording freeze data and diagnostic snapshots using the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System. Understanding the causes and symptoms of this DTC is crucial for effective troubleshooting and ensuring the vehicle's transmission functions properly. DTC P0967 points to a specific electrical circuit problem affecting the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B. This solenoid plays a key role in managing hydraulic pressure within the transmission, allowing the vehicle to shift gears smoothly. The valve itself is located within the automatic transmission assembly, typically situated in the valve body. A malfunction in this solenoid valve can prevent the transmission from shifting into various gears, thereby limiting the operator's control and affecting performance. Since this issue is electrical and not mechanical, it is essential to differentiate between circuit failures and actual hardware problems when diagnosing the fault. Addressing this DTC involves using the HDS to read and clear codes in conjunction with inspecting the electrical components associated with the solenoid. Several factors may lead to the activation of DTC P0967. The most direct cause is a faulty AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B. This valve can fail due to wear or electrical issues, disrupting the hydraulic pressure regulation. Additionally, there may be an open circuit within the wiring harnesses that connect the solenoid to the powertrain control module PCM, preventing proper operation. Another potential cause is poor ground connections, particularly at body ground G101, which is responsible for ensuring that electrical systems function correctly by providing a path for excess electricity. Thoroughly checking each of these components is vital for accurate diagnosis and rectification of the code. When DTC P0967 is present, drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms. The most significant issue is limited gear shifting, which confines the vehicle to operate only in first, second, or fifth gears. This restriction creates a significant inconvenience, as normal driving conditions require the flexibility to switch through all available gears. Additionally, drivers may notice an increase in engine RPM, especially if attempting to accelerate using a limited gear. These symptoms not only affect the performance and operation of the vehicle, but may also lead to further stress on the engine and transmission, necessitating quick resolution of the underlying issue. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0967 involves turning the ignition switch to the on position, setting up the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the vehicle's memory. This clear action resets any stored error codes, allowing for fresh readings. After clearing the codes, it is crucial to check for pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS again. If DTC P0967 reappears, this indicates a persistent issue. However, if no codes are present, it suggests that the problem may be intermittent and the system may be functioning correctly at that moment. In the second troubleshooting step, check the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B using the HDS in the AT data list section. Here, the system provides real-time data on the operation of the solenoid, which is pivotal for managing clutch engagement and hydraulic pressure. Assess the actual command to determine whether the solenoid is functioning correctly. If the reading indicates that the solenoid is receiving 35 mAh or more, this suggests that the command signal is active and the solenoid is working correctly. If the reading is below this threshold, it confirms a fault within the solenoid, necessitating replacement of the secondary valve body where it resides. Step 3 requires turning the ignition switch to the lock position 0 to ensure safety while working on electrical connections. Next, with the HDS, you will need to jump the SCS service check signal line, which allows the system to perform specific diagnostic procedures without interference. Once this is completed, disconnect the PCM connector B, which consists of 49 pins. This is critical as it isolates the circuit being tested and prevents any feedback or incorrect readings during continuity tests. Removing this connector also allows for a clear examination of the electrical connection points that could be influenced by faults or wear. For the fourth troubleshooting step, check for continuity between specific terminals in the PCM connector and body ground. This test is crucial in determining if there are breaks or shorts in the wiring leading to the PCM. Specifically, you will measure continuity between PCM connector terminal B1 and body ground, followed by terminal B40 and body ground. A successful continuity test will indicate that the electrical path is intact. If continuity is present for both tests, it suggests that wiring between the PCM and body ground is functional. However, if continuity fails for either, it indicates an issue that needs to be addressed. This could be a damaged wire or a poor body ground connection at G101, which is essential for stable operation of electrical components. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0967, a final verification process is crucial to ensure the issue has been resolved. Start by reconfirming the repairs using the HDS to check for any remaining error codes or warnings regarding the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B. It's essential to observe the live data once more to confirm that the solenoid is operating as expected. Next, conduct a test drive to evaluate the vehicle's performance, ensuring that gear shifting operates smoothly and no warning indicators are present on the dashboard. Finally, recheck for the status of DTCs to ensure that P0967 has not returned. Successful verification indicates that the problem has been effectively addressed, restoring the vehicle's functionality. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0967 and maintain the longevity of your Honda Odyssey's transmission system, several preventive maintenance strategies should be employed. Firstly, regularly inspect all electrical connections related to the transmission. Ensure that harnesses, connectors, and terminals remain clean and free from wear or corrosion, which can impede electrical flow. Additionally, keep an eye on the performance of the transmission during regular operation, noting any irregularities in shifting or responsiveness that may indicate emerging issues. Always utilize quality replacement parts for any repairs, particularly when addressing solenoids or crucial electrical components. By adhering to these maintenance guidelines, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing similar DTCs in the future. In summary, DTC P0967 signifies a problem related to the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B, primarily caused by electrical circuit failures rather than mechanical faults. The troubleshooting process includes a systematic approach of identifying the problem through initial checks with the HDS, followed by thorough testing of the solenoid and its associated electrical components. Monitoring symptoms like limited gear shifting and increased RPMs helps guide the diagnosis, leading to effective repairs. Implementing preventive maintenance practices can greatly enhance the reliability of your vehicle's transmission system, ensuring longevity and optimal performance. Addressing DTCs promptly helps maintain vehicle safety and reliability, ultimately enhancing the driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.